Now, these are your general formulas for cubic expressions, and the way they worked before, and these may have been things that you were not exposed to, is that if you had things that had cube roots, 8's cube root is 2, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and x cubed's cube root is x. If they were subtraction, they fit this format, and if the subtraction sign was addition, they fit this format. So these are just my dots that I have here. These are not signs. So if I had this x cubed minus 8, the a would be x because the cube root of x cubed is x, and the b would be 2 because the cube root of 8 is 2. So it would fit this formula, and so I would have x minus 2 times x squared plus, since a was x and b was 2, I would have 2x here. And since b was 2, I would have 2 squared, which would be 4. And that would be it factored. And the signs would just change if it were addition. I would end up with x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4 on that one. So that's the general format that you would have. So anytime you have something in trig that looks like that, so for instance, let's say we had cosine cubed theta minus 8, it would fit this same template. In this case, my a would be cosine theta, and my b would be 2, because those are the cube roots of those two things. So if I fit them to this template, I would have cosine theta minus 2 times cosine squared theta, because that's a squared. AB would be 2 cosine theta, and since b is 2, b squared would be 4, and it would fit that template. So for cubic expressions, you simply follow those formulas. So you're probably going to need to memorize those formulas.